When your space feels overwhelmed by clutter, or you're preparing for a major life transition, a professional cleanout service can be your saving grace. Whether you're cleaning out a home, garage, office, or rental property, Austin residents have access to fast and reliable cleanout services that make the process efficient and stress-free. Here's everything you need to know about Cleanout Services in Austin and how they can help you reclaim your space with ease. Comprehensive Cleanout Services. Professional cleanout companies in Austin provide a wide range of services to address various needs. They are equipped to handle projects of any size, from small cleanouts to large-scale property overhauls. Services include residential cleanouts, perfect for decluttering basements, garages, or entire homes. Estate cleanouts, a compassionate solution for managing belongings after a loved one's passing. Commercial cleanouts, ideal for office spaces, retail stores, or warehouses undergoing renovations or closures. Rental property cleanouts, quickly clear out properties after tenants move out, preparing the space for new occupants. This comprehensive approach ensures that whatever your cleanout needs, professionals in Austin have you covered. Quick and efficient process. One of the most significant benefits of hiring a professional cleanout service is the speed and efficiency with which they work. Cleanout teams are trained to handle large volumes of items and bulky furniture, streamlining what might otherwise be a time-consuming task. What to expect? Prompt scheduling. Many services offer same-day or next-day appointments for urgent needs. Skilled teams. Crews work quickly to remove unwanted items without causing damage to your property. Well-equipped trucks. Large trucks ensure that everything can be hauled away in one trip, saving time and effort. This fast turnaround allows you to focus on what matters most while the professionals handle the heavy lifting. Safe handling of all items. Cleanouts often involve moving heavy or awkward items, such as furniture, appliances, or large piles of debris. Professional teams have the tools and expertise to handle these challenges safely. Heavy lifting expertise. Crews are trained to lift and transport heavy items without injury or damage to your property. Proper equipment. Tools like dollies, straps, and protective padding ensure safe removal. Experience with hazardous items. Teams know how to safely dispose of hazardous materials, such as old paint or electronics. This attention to safety ensures a worry-free cleanout experience for Austin residents. Eco-friendly disposal practices. Sustainability is a priority for many Austin residents, and Cleanout Services align with these values by adopting eco-friendly disposal practices. Recycling. Materials like metal, wood, and electronics are sorted and sent to recycling facilities. Donations. Usable furniture, clothing, and appliances are donated to local charities, benefiting the community. Responsible disposal. Hazardous materials and non-recyclable items are disposed of in compliance with local regulations. By choosing a professional cleanout service with eco-conscious practices, you contribute to Austin's sustainability efforts while decluttering your space. Transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Cleanout Services in Austin pride themselves on offering affordable and transparent pricing, making it easy for residents to budget for their needs. Free quotes. Many companies provide no-obligation estimates based on the volume and type of items to be removed. Flat rate or volume-based pricing. Clear pricing models ensure you know what to expect, with no hidden costs. Customizable packages. Services can be tailored to fit your specific cleanout needs, so you only pay for what you require. This straightforward pricing ensures you receive excellent value without unexpected surprises. Stress-free and customer-focused experience. Cleanouts can be physically and emotionally draining, especially when dealing with sensitive items or large volumes of clutter. Professional cleanout services prioritize customer satisfaction by making the process as stress-free as possible. Compassionate approach. Teams handle your belongings with respect and care, especially during estate cleanouts or other sensitive situations. Thorough cleanup. After removing unwanted items, crews ensure the space is left clean and ready for its next use. Friendly and professional service. Customer-focused teams are polite, approachable, and happy to answer any questions you may have. This dedication to customer care makes the cleanout process much more manageable and enjoyable. Tailored solutions for every situation. No two cleanout projects are the same, and professional services in Austin understand the need for tailored solutions. Whether you're clearing out a small storage unit or an entire commercial space, they adapt their approach to meet your specific requirements. Flexible scheduling. Appointments are arranged to fit your timeline and needs. Customized plans. Services are tailored based on the size, scope, and type of items to be removed. Scalable services. Crews can handle projects of any size, from a few unwanted items to massive cleanouts. This flexibility ensures you get the exact support you need, no matter the complexity of the job. Conclusion. Fast and reliable cleanout services in Austin offer a stress-free way to declutter and organize your space, whether you're moving, renovating, or simply reclaiming your home or office. With their comprehensive services, eco-friendly practices, and customer-focused approach, these professionals make even the largest cleanout projects manageable. If you're ready to clear out clutter and enjoy a refreshed space, contact a trusted cleanout service in Austin today. Their expertise and efficiency will save you time, energy, and stress, leaving you with a clean slate to start anew.